Hi everyone, Nancy with the Treasure Home, and yeah, it's one of those days. So, real quick, I made cornbread. Worked through it, did it, and I didn't show you all the steps, but I will show you what I did. Here we go, and that's butter on top of it. Yeah, I was like, oh, I've been wanting some cornbread, so look at that. Good. And I put butter on top already. So here we go. It's just a recipe from the box. It's just a recipe from the box, but I did add some honey to it. And I'll be waiting for a mail call video because we got mail. Yay! It's so fun when you get mail. So yeah, I just added some honey to it. Not the honey. That's the secret. But I added honey. So here we go. Usually it turns out dry and it feels like you're going but adding that just a little bit more turned out pretty good. I also used King Arthur's gluten-free flour instead of regular flour. So I'm trying to give that to see how that's going to taste. It actually turned out really well. I like it. So yeah, I used the gluten-free flour for this with the cornmeal. Everything else, and then I added maybe a teaspoon and a half of honey, just to make sure it's not dry. So I will put the recipe down below, what I used, and I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Y'all stay safe, and if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And also, there are links to the channel, Amazon affiliate, my spring store is coming up, and my Etsy store, so y'all check those out. And y'all have a wonderful day, as Anastasia would say, because she's upstairs. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.